There, let's see what's the reading for today from the divine. First, let's go ahead and oh, the value is already here. First, let's see what's the value for today. Creativity. Creativity always helps us. It also helps you to go ahead and enhance your sacral chakra. It helps you to go ahead and be creative. It opens up certain doors for you. You can be absolutely doing well in your life if you start focusing on your creativity part. So it's very clear that today you have to be very, very creative. You have to be strong, powerful, and you have to be light-hearted. Let's see what are the other messages from the divine for you. How is the day going to be? Tell me, please. Okay, there are certain things which are coming your way. There would be certain actions of certain people which will come on your way that would be very, very powerful. But trust me, you would be very, very easily able to go ahead and handle them. You would be in a position to go ahead and help people. You should be able to go ahead and support people in various ways. Also, there would be things which will be coming your way which will be little surprising for you, but you would be able to go ahead and handle everything very, very nicely. Always remember, you have to be little creative. You don't have to act low. You have to be very, very strong. And how to be more creative? Whatever gives and adds to your passion, whatever things makes you more passionate, go ahead and work on that. You have to come back to the start to see what you have missed before. There are certain times when you would have to go ahead and rewind a little, and when you're getting stuck in something or when you are getting surprised by certain situations, what you have to do is what you simply have to go ahead and think about that particular situation in a very, very nice and easy peasy way. Just rewind, go back in the past, go back in the flashback kind of thing, and see to it what was there. Just go ahead and review that complete situation once again, and you would find yourself in a much, much better position to go ahead and act out. Stay tuned for more. Have a wonderful day.